Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today we're going to do another plant of the week. Now, it's been quite a while since I've done the plant of the week, but I think I want to start doing a few more of these videos, kind of featuring some water-wise plants that I have in my landscape. Now, the first one that I want to feature is my Golden Currant. That's here behind me. It's a native to the Intermountain West, native to Utah, and they are absolutely fantastic plants. Now, the Golden Currant has an edible berry, and let me show you what they look like because some of them are ripe right now. Now, this is what the currant looks like, and then hanging on the underside are some berries. Now, the lighter ones are not ripe, but the darker ones are ripe. You can see that really dark one right there. Let me pick it for you. So here's what the ripe berries look like. I wish this would focus a little bit better, but they are quite tasty. Now, it's a little difficult to describe the flavor. They're a little tart, especially when they're more unripe, but they're also kind of sweet. And the only way I can describe it is they taste like currants. Growing up, my mom always grew currants, and it's the flavor that I remember. Now, some people may not like them for fresh eating, but they make excellent jellies and jams and preserves. Now, that is, I guess, if you can get a larger crop and have more bushes. This bush is 2.5 years old, and it hasn't come into full fruiting yet, so I'm interested to see exactly how much I can harvest off this bush. Now, this golden currant is about 4 feet tall. From what I've heard, they can get between 4 and 8 feet tall and wide, depending on how happy they are in the spot that they are. Now, they can take part sun, they can take shade. I don't think that they would be able to tolerate full sun, especially here in Utah. I think that would be too strong for them. They can tolerate a wide range of soil conditions. They take our alkaline soils extremely well, and they can take varying amounts of moisture. Now, this plant back here might be getting a little bit too much water. It's getting watered twice a week because I have hydrangeas on the same zone. And so it's been pretty floppy. Let me show you how I staked it up. My thought is that this currant would probably be happier if it were watered once a week deeply. Now, as you can see, it's quite floppy. I've stretched some of that green garden tape around it, and that is holding it up off of the ground. You can see over here that this branch is flopping. And so I really do think that these would do better in an area where you get a little bit less water. Now, another problem that I've noticed that they get is aphids. And when they get aphids, you start to get stem curl like that. So you need to watch. And if it starts getting a heavy aphid infestation, then you should probably try either spraying it down with water, kind of wash the aphids off, or maybe do a little bit of an insecticide. Now, despite it being floppy, I really love this bush. Now, let me show you a picture of what the flowers look like. This was a picture of this spring when the flowers were blooming, and it blooms in April, and they smell faintly like cloves. So it's a really beautiful bush. It's got gorgeous flowers, edible fruit, and the birds absolutely love it. So that is another issue. If you want to be able to harvest a good crop, you'll probably need to net the bush. So if you're looking for a great bush to grow in part shade or full shade in Utah or anywhere in the Intermountain West, I absolutely suggest the Golden Currant. They are great bushes. Now, if you enjoy my videos, if they are helpful, I hope you would like and subscribe, share them with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.